Hello guys, if you can't able to create JSP file in Eclipse, watch this video completely. I will explain what is the issue and how you can resolve that issue. So here I am trying to create a JSP file in my web application, but you can see after typing JSP, it is not showing anything. So I will close this window. So this problem mainly occurs due to mostly you are having a Eclipse of older version, so you have to install the new software. For that you have to go to window, sorry, for that you have to go to help and click on install new software, and then here you select all available sites. It is updating, you have to wait for some time, so it is in still pending state. After some times, so after that you have to select this web XML and Java EE. So you have to select this and then click on next. And then here you click on Eclipse Java Web Developer Tools and then click next. And here again click on Eclipse Java Web Developer Tools, and in the details section, so you have to see this details here in this section, tools for working with Java and some other details working with JSP. Then you have to click next, then accept the agreement and then click on finish. And then you have to wait for some times. It will install the new software. Here you can see it is installing the new software. So you have to wait for some time, and then it will ask for a restart. So give restart. Here you can see, so restart Eclipse IDE to apply software update. You click on restart now button. After that it will be restarted, and click on allow access, and I will close this tab. So this is the overview welcome tab. I will close this tab. So now I will again try to create a JSP file now. So go to your web application and right click on that new and go to others, and here you can type JSP, and here you can see the JSP file which is created, and you click on that and click next. Yes, and you can give any name. So in my case it was new file, so I'll keep it default and wait for some time. Yeah, your file is ready, now you can use. So that is it for the video guys. I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like the video, please do consider subscribing. Your one subscribe and one like means a lot. Yeah, please do consider subscribing. Till then, have a good day.